What's up, kids too technical? I'm back again with another video. So today, as you can see, I do have the Bold N3 in front of me. I picked this up on Amazon for $249. This is just a budget-friendly device that I just wanted to check out, you know, and see what I think about it. So it comes with the 6.78-inch Full HD. You get 120 hertz AMOLED display, 3D dual curve screen. It tells you the resolution. It's a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. Get 256 gigabytes of internal storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, advanced triple AI camera with LED flash, 50 megapixel super HDR camera plus 8 megapixel wide angle and a 2 megapixel micro sensor, 16 MP selfie camera. You get your battery, 47,000 milliamp battery, 66 watt super max charger, in-display fingerprint scanner, NFC connectivity, and it's powered by Android 13. So you may be like, man, this is a big box. That is because you get a lot of things when you pick up this device, and that's another reason why I wanted to check it out. So like I said, this is Bold. They are the sister company of Blue. They make better devices, but still you still get a nice price for them, because I know there's people out there and they are not able to get the nicer and fancier devices. And I want to jump back into some budget friendly or mid-range friendly devices. I don't have to always just do flagships, but that's just what catches my eye, so that's why I do them. But I do like the budget friendly devices also. So this is what the device looks like. You pull it out, and I can tell you now, it does not feel cheap. It feels nice already. So we're going to put this over here for now. You do get all the information and things at the bottom. This is what the flagship carriers branded devices are lacking. They are lacking all of these goodies, and their cell phones cost way more than these budget devices. So you do get your Sims tray. You get a 66 watt charging cable, like I said, and that is nice. You do get some wireless, some earbuds, even though they might not be great, but at least you get it in there for the price. You do get your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Then you get a sticker that says Bold Like Us, which is a nice touch. Then you also get a case, even though it's not a fancy case. At least you get a case for the price of the device. You know, like I said, you don't even get that when you're buying something super expensive. I probably won't even put this on the phone, but that is nice that you get that inside. But I'm going to put everything back in here for now. And we're going to open up the device and see what we get here. So this is like an emerald green color. Like I said, this does feel nice in the hand. It doesn't feel too cheap. It feels good. You have a sticker here on the camera. You could peel that off if you want to. That camera array does look very nice and different. This does have a nice feel. It's like a matte back. I don't know if this is glass or plastic, but it does feel nice. And it also comes with a pre-installed screen protector, which is cool. I'm going to leave that on there. Like I said, you do get that case, but I probably won't rock this case, but it does look and feel good. But I'm not too worried about this device getting too nasty or anything because of the price. You know, if it breaks, gets a scratch, I can just order another one if I just really and truly wanted to. At the bottom here, you do get access to your USB charging cable, dual SIMs, no SD card slot, one speaker. At the top here, you get nothing. On this side, you get nothing. This is your volume up and down, your power button. Like I said, it has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will leave a link to where you can pick this up on Amazon if you're interested, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.